Hi everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake and I'm here just to talk to you about Kitten Care.
Dr. Drake, what should I expect at my kitten's first veterinary visit?
So at your first visit, we're going to probably ask some questions of you about their vaccine history, and then we're going to do a thorough physical from their nose to their tail and have a good look at the kitten and make sure that everything looks right there. Talk about behavioral issues, talk about preventative care, parasites, do a fecal on your kitty, and get the vaccine started also.
What should I ask my veterinarian at my kitten's first appointment?
Well, certainly if you have any specific questions, save them till the end because they may answer them before you even get there. But we like to spend at least a good 30 minutes with clients that have a new kitten to make sure that all their questions are answered and that they have access to information that they're going to need from home also.
How often does my kitten need to go to the veterinarian?
So your kitten should come into the veterinarian about every 3 weeks until they're about 4 months of age. We have a series of things we're going to talk about and a series of vaccines. And most importantly, we're going to follow the progress of your kitty behavior-wise and health-wise and make sure that they're headed in the right direction.
What vaccinations does my kitten need?
So generally, we're going to do the core vaccines for all cats, which is the FVRCP, which are the upper respiratory viruses, panleukopenia, distemper. And we're also going to do the leukemia vaccine and rabies also. But they're not all done at the same time. We kind of spread them out over a series, but they're all very important vaccines.
Does my kitten need vaccinations even if I keep them inside?
Yes, we do recommend core vaccines for your kitten because I'll just tell you a personal story. My own cats are indoor cats. My son left his door open and a bat flew in and my cat killed the bat. Bats in California, I think about 15% of them do carry rabies, maybe even higher than that. And if my cat had not been vaccinated for rabies, we would have had a potentially really difficult situation on our hands. So, and cats do get out all the time. And so we really want them protected against FVRCP and leukemia for sure.
What kind of preventative care does my kitten need?
So your kitten is going to need to have deworming protocol, a parasitic preventative plan going forward so that you guys don't have fleas or ticks in your houses or on your cat, vaccinations, and a good discussion of nutrition and just behavior.
Last question. When should I get my kitten spayed or neutered?
We generally recommend having kittens spayed and neutered by 6 months. We don't want them going into heat or starting to develop roaming behaviors. So 6 months is a great time to spay and neuter kittens if they haven't already been so at the shelters. So if you have any more questions about kittens, give us a call at the Drake Center.